Hello, guys. Today I'll share you guys a traffic-rich note Father's Day. On that day, you need to take advantage of its sales opportunities. The data in this video comes from the free website pox.com. Father's Day is a very ceremonial holiday to express love for fathers, and the meaning of it is just like Mother's Day. Today I'll introduce the background and analyze the sales data of it, and finally I'll tell you what kind of products are popular on that day, and what kind of theme patterns are self-traffic. Father's Day is originated in the United States and falls on the third Sunday of June every year. The day of the holiday is an important time for children and mothers to express their gratitude to their dads, and this holiday is also popular in 52 countries and regions, including Canada, Mexico, and the Britain. Therefore, the traffic of Father's Day is very extensive. According to the Google Trends data, the traffic on Father's Day in 2021 showed a continuous upward trend from the beginning of March and a higher growth period in April and May. Therefore, we suggest that you can put on the links and improve the listing part about 2 months in advance. At the same time, you need to observe the real-time dynamics of competitive products and make certain adjustments in time to improve your own advantages. We can also search through other survey data. The American Internet Survey shows the top 3 gifts of Father's Day that most American net citizens want to receive. The first one is a greeting card, the second is a special experience with their families, such as going on a long trip to the beach or going hiking and so on. The last one is some life-related gifts, such as clothes, shirts, sweatshirts, ties and socks. This survey provides you guys with a hot recommended direction for hot-selling products. In addition, we can also know through the survey data and combined with the data of previous years that the sales of customized products of Father's Day are relatively high. They are t-shirts, mugs, ties, blankets, socks, and greeting cards, which are also popular on that day. First, let's take a look at t-shirts. It's a good choice to choose a t-shirt as a gift for dad on Father's Day. With some creative designs, the t-shirt can be more personalized, which could obtain more orders. Mug is another choice. It is a product that usually delivered in our daily life. It will also be a very good choice to send a mug with the printed blessing words for your father as a gift on that day. The blanket has always been sold well in the market, which can be used no whether at home or in the office and travel scenarios. What's more, it also a very suitable product as a holiday gift. I don't think there is no father will feel unhappy when he received the blanket on behalf of the blessings from children and his wife. And blanket is a product that easy to design because of its large creation space. If you put some elements that your fathers like on it, it would become creative. The ranking of the search volume of the keyword socks is also showing a rising trend, so on Father's Day, it will also be a good choice to pick a pair of creative socks for fathers or customize your own photo on it. Ties are also selling very well during Father's Day, because on this day many fathers will not only receive a tie as a gift from their children, but wives will also give their husbands a new tie on this day. It is a necessary product for men to wear. Ties are also providing a great direction for all sellers to choose their products. When it comes to the holidays, a greeting card is also essential. There are many children giving their fathers a self-made greeting card or a photo with words of thanks. The greeting cards are more ceremonial in the holidays. Many children who don't usually talk much can express their love on a greeting card on Father's Day. It's also a good choice to sell greeting cards together with the above-mentioned products. After talking about these customized products, let's look at the customization elements of Father's Day. Heroism is a product of American culture and the core that Americans are proud of. No matter in American movies or in cartoons, we can see superheroes, so children often fantasize that their fathers can become superheroes. This theme can use some animation or text design elements, which can become more interesting to impress the consumers easily, so as to get more orders. Finally, look at the theme elements with characters. On Father's Day, if children or wives do not know what to send to express their blessings to their fathers, then customized products with blessing words will be a good choice for them. The blessing clasp blankets, mugs, greeting cards, t-shirts and other related products can express your feelings very well. Products with father's blessing texts will be more memorable, and fathers will be very happy and touched when receiving such gifts. This is the end of this video. If you feel not bad, subscribe me.